can someone who is a lot smarter than me please explain why the Madlanga interim report is not going to be made public? Why would the presidency do this to us? We need our summary. We need our notes. Now, I think this is just an annoying attempt to add a little bit of the shady element. But again, I'm open to correction as to why it would not be made public. However, phase 2, let's hope we get to see Fidel Adams, because I'm sure that man is stressing. I don't think he's going to have a good Christmas. I don't think he's going to have a stress-free Christmas, but let's just see. But again, this is just all annoying as hell.
Njengoba ke besazi sonke ukuthi umhla ka-17 December sobe silindele i-report ephuma kuyiMadlanga Commission. Cha ithi iMadlanga yona ayiready ukuyikhipha i-report futhi izoyikhipha ilinikeze i-office la president okuyiyona eyaqhamuka ne-ID kaMadlanga. Kodwa i-office la president lithi cha i-report icela ukuthi imikhishwa inikezwe bona kuphela futhi izoba imfihlo. Ngeke beze bebanikeza abantu base South Africa ukuthi ithini lo report. Akusho ke mina kusho president wenu Ramaphosa.
The presidency and Cyril Ramaphosa has announced that the Madlanga Commission report, which is due on the 17th of December, that is Wednesday, will not be made public. This is what the presidency has announced. The report, the Madlanga Commission report, that is the first interim report, will not be made public. Why? Only him and the ANC knows why. Personally, I never thought he was ever gonna act on it or publicize it. If the Zondo Commission report is anything to go by, nothing really had happened from that. This is worse. It implicates a whole lot of his own people and comrades. So there was no way it was gonna go out there. It's just that there's no shame anymore from the president and the people around him in hiding anything. They can go to the ANC and GC and act as if they care about anything. They don't give a damn about anything. President Ramaphosa and his people, they don't really give a damn. They're not even hiding this nonchalant behavior anymore. They don't even act as if they care anymore. They just show you in your face that they don't care. They don't even hide it. I mean, why would you hide? They've said, Malula, President Ramaphosa have said, actually, the commission, we don't have to wait for the commission to end for people to be arrested. The same people who said we don't have to wait for the commission to end, they are now saying the report will not be publicized. I don't know what more does South Africa need to hear from this ANC and West Cyril Ramaphosa and his people. I don't know what more they want to hear. It's a pity. There are still people who believe that all this commission will yield anything positive. If they were under any other government, maybe, but under the government of the ANC and West with Cyril Ramaphosa, nothing will ever happen. It's just a pity. It's just a pity. The Zondo Commission report, now this one, nothing will really happen. I mean, the Pala matter was one of the things that showed you nothing would ever happen. And I don't think the media will make noise about that. I don't think white monopoly people and their business will make noise about that. Nothing will ever happen.
Apparently, we are not going to get the interim report of the Madlanga Commission. So the report is supposed to be released on the 17th of December 2025. And we were supposed to get the full report as to what's really going on. So they are shutting us out of a public hearing, which was public. And now they are making the report private. Why? Why were we tuning in each and every day listening to these guys? Because at this point we can just call this a circus show. They're just performing, basically performing for us. We don't know internally what they really think of Ket Matlala. Do they actually admire him? Because at the Madlanga Commission ad hoc committee, they were smiling with him, asking him all sorts of silly questions. Because Ket Matlala has 9 kids, his name is Ket. They're asking him whether that means 9 kids or 9 lives. Man, what kind of questioning is that? Like, and these guys, as I've been complaining for the past couple of months during the whole Madlanga Commission, these guys are not lawyers. So how are we sure that they're asking relevant questions or questions that are supposed to bring out the true answers that we need as a nation? It's just a person who's like me and you, just asking random questions or questions that they think need to be asked. Like, there's no real cross-question or cross-examination. Like, what are we watching here? So now they're not even going to give us what the internal report says. And as many people said, there's a meme, I saw this other picture, I just need to check it out. So, okay, here's the picture right here. This quote here encapsulates everything that's happening right now with the Madlanga Commission, because they don't even want to release the interim report so we know what's going on. So they're saying that the presidency is ANC, the judiciary is ANC, the police is ANC, the criminals are members of the ANC, yet we expect the ANC to arrest itself. We are daydreaming. And straight up, how will we hold these people account if, man, Abomkhwanazi, Abomkhunu, these are chief of police and are being questioned by politicians. Now, who questions the politicians? Who hold these politicians to account? Like, there's literally no one. Like, they're just doing whatever they want at this point, and there's no one who will hold them to account. So, yeah, you know how it is. The only people that can hold politicians to account are the people who are paying them the tax that they're eating at the end of the day.
The final report will be made available to the public. So the final report will be released to the public. The Commission will advise the President on areas that are of national security sensitivity and how those areas will need to be managed, but we will cross that bridge when we get to it. I repeat once again, the final report of the Madlanga Commission will be made available to the public. It will be released to the public. However, the interim report, the one that the President is going to receive on Wednesday, the 17th of December, will not be made available to the public. And the reasoning is quite simple to understand. Some of the witnesses that have come before the Commission are going to be called back again to continue with their evidence. Some had evidence located in certain specific areas, but not as broad as it was meant to be. So those witnesses are still going to be given a chance to return to the Commission and give that evidence. So it's not going to be helpful to then start chewing and debating on something that's half-baked. The President will certainly look at it. He hasn't had the luxury of time to follow every day of the Commission's hearing. The interim report will assist him in getting him up to speed with where the Commission is now and some of the issues that have been ventilated and covered in the Commission. However, it will not be helpful for the witnesses, the Commission itself, and all of us to start getting ourselves into knots over something that has not been completed. We need to allow the process to be completed. And as I've said, the President has undertaken to release the final report publicly when the Commission has concluded its work, and the President will then follow the guidance of the Commission with respect to areas that will be of national security sensitivity and how those areas are to be managed. On
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Besathi sonke ukuthi mhla ka-17 December uyidubukele njengoba siyobe sithola i-report yeMadlanga Commission. Guys, sisipende isikhathi sethu lesiningi sokusilalela sibukela iMadlanga Commission. Sifuna kuva ukuthi baqamba manga bathini. So now sitshela kunzaba yokuthi hey Madlanga Commission report ngeke izivedwe public kanjani. Oh, so people are fuming ukuthi ayibo dedicate isikhathi sethu lezingaka sibukela silalela sifuna kuve report mhla ka-17 yalo sesitshela ukuthi i-report ngeke ize yendwe public. Shothi kuba something lendeka ehwaqo sekuze kurelease statement ekuthiwa hayi batositshela nge-report but batositshela nge-final report leyamhla ka-17 kungani bangasitsheli ngayo. People are fuming ukuthi ayibo it seems like siyadlalwa lana buningi njena bugebengu lwabantu begovernment yethu because why bangafuni ukusitshela i-report mhla ka-17 kokuthi bakhulume njani. Guys sivele inkulumo letiningi ba-expose ka lapha expose ko baqamba amanga labaqamba amanga but now they are telling us ukuthi reports ngeke baze bayikhiphe mhla ka-17 kanjani. Oh, sesibukele salalela kangaka. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.